guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Aria and I'm back with another video. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below on what you thought about this video. Without further ado, we're gonna get straight into this video and I'm gonna give you guys a quick disclaimer. This hair was sent to me by the company Vivi Babi. This review is solely on what I feel about the hair, what I received, and yeah, I'm gonna give you guys the pros and always the cons, because I don't believe just because somebody sent you something doesn't mean you have to love everything about it. And there are some things about this hair that I did not like. So without further ado, we're gonna get into the specs of what I received. Okay, so while I'm doing that, telling you guys everything I feel about the hair, I have class in a little bit, so I'm gonna hurry up and do two things at once. I'm gonna show y'all what this hair can do and what it looks like while telling y'all. So to start, oh, I wrote some notes too. To start, this is the 24-inch deep wave 4x4 closure wig. It's 180% density, and it's also available on Amazon Prime. You can get 2-day shipping with that, and it is $142.99 if you have Prime. I'm not sure what it costs without Prime because I have Prime, and that's how I got the wig. So, yeah, if you guys are interested, that's how you can go ahead and purchase it. And also every link to everything will be down below. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and, I keep saying without further ado, girl, just get to it. I'm about to wet this up because I prefer that wet look. So we're gonna talk about now what I like about the hair. So the first, oh, let me show y'all what it came in. It came in this box. Vivi Babi, and it came with 2 wig caps. One is on my head, one is still in there, and a little card that you know, tells you about the specs of the hair and, you know, their social medias and everything, regular PR stuff. So the hair is, I'll say, it's true to length, very, 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 very soft. I love it so much. And one thing I will say, when I got it out of the packaging, it didn't have any smell to it. Like, of course, hair smells like hair. I don't know if anyone knows what I mean when I say that, but it doesn't smell like, oh my gosh, like I need to take this off my head now. It smells regular, if that's a good way to put it. As you guys can see, like, I'm just gliding right through it, so there's no tangles. And I put this on last night and slept in it. I wanted to do a put on video for y'all, but roll the tape. It was just not going well. So I had to phone a friend and she gave me some details on how to put it on. So with that being said, I will say the wig is very much beginner friendly, because after getting through, because I know how to pluck it, I know how to you know, make it flat, because it didn't come out the box like this, so you got to go ahead and customize it to yourself. But I struggled putting it on by myself, which was embarrassing. So I called my sister Pam, like, please help. It's like, what 1 a.m. I don't even know, but it was late, and she answered and helped me out. I like everything to be like wet, like it needs to all be the same, like flatness, I guess is what I'm trying to say. So that's why I keep putting water on it. Yeah, so it's very true to length. The quality is good. When I say true to length, I got the inches 24, and I just, if you watch my Kendra's boutique video, I just had a 24-inch sewing in, and it came to my lap. Like if I'm sitting down, it was sitting in my lap, and if I pull this hair, it's sitting in my lap as well. But it's curly, so you know it stops at a certain spot. But yeah, it's going past that, past my boobies when it's curly, and then I pulled it to my lap. So yeah, so I would say it's true to length, and I like that a lot because it's not sending me what I get next for. Next, the quality. Did I say that? Like, yeah, as y'all see, I just wet and go, wet and go. Ooh, don't spray the face now. So as I spray the face, the quality is really, really good. The only thing I would say is it could be a little bit more thicker in the ends, but other than that, I wouldn't say too much about the quality because I really like it. And I would actually purchase this myself if need be. I talked about the smell. Oh, one thing I will say, so my last video that I've recorded, because this is my second time working with this company, the last video I let y'all know on my cons list was the flyaways it came with. But this time, the flyaways will be on my pros list, because if you can see, there's no flyaways. And I only put this, what is this? Foaming mousse. I only put this stuff on here and like did the little flattening it out thing. So that helped. Last time I had to use like edge control and, you know, slick it down, because that's all I had. I didn't have a wax stick because I don't wear wigs like that. Like, that's not really my thing, more of a sewing type. So, yeah, the whole point of me saying that was that it doesn't have any flyaways really, and I appreciate that so much. So, my next thing was the shipping speed. I placed the order on, I don't even know. I can't even think of when I placed the order, but it did come within the allotted time that you think that a hair is gonna come. So if you're looking for something that's like super cute, super quick, like I need this neck. Don't bust the thing down. I hit it. If you're looking for something super cute, super quick, you just should go ahead and get this, because it'll come within like 2 days. And like I said, it's on Amazon Prime, so y'all know, like, Amazon says it's on the way, that truck is on the road. We're gonna get into my dislikes now, which I only have a few things because I actually am enjoying this. I thought that I was gonna put this on and take it right off because I'm not a wig person, but I'm actually enjoying this. Like, as y'all can see, it's like really, really cute. I got some more wetting to do. Next I want to talk about what I didn't like. So the lace, bruh, I just don't like when you get a product and it's like that ashy white color. Like, I think I deleted the footage because I was embarrassed. So I tried to record a video of me like putting it on. Went terrible, like I said. So the lace color was like really ashy white. Like, it was like, no, that's being dramatic. It just wasn't, it was like this color. Dang, that's not even really showing. It was like a not natural looking color that you would want to put on. So under this I have, like, on this I have bleached knots. I bleached them. I have a wig cap on, and I have makeup on the wig cap and makeup on the part to get it to blend with my skin tone. So I feel like that's kind of doing a lot. So I don't know if that's like a wig thing, like it's always supposed to be ashy, but I just didn't enjoy that because I feel like if I bleach the knots, that defeats the purpose if I'm gonna have to just go ahead and put more makeup on it. But I don't know, maybe I'm wrong, maybe that's normal. So that was that. The next thing I didn't like is I'm gonna show y'all these little ear flaps. Like, is that normal? Like, I don't know if I've ever seen that before, but I also only owned 2 other wigs. One was made and one was from them. So, but the other one, that I don't think that had that. So like, is the ear flaps normal? But just saying that to say, like, this is my ear. I don't have big ears at all. Like, they're just regular ears. You see it's red. Not them hurting me. It's itching now. Yeah, but I don't know if that's normal, but if that's something you guys can deal with, yeah, go ahead and make the purchase. But if that's gonna be something that like irritates you, I don't know about that. So yeah, I'm like, I wanted to cut it out, but I was like, if I cut it out, like, that's probably gonna just mess the whole wig up because it has like hair attached to it. So I'm like, just leave it alone. Just leave it alone and try to be cute. Beauty is pain, right? Is it? But so I just left that on there. The next thing I didn't like, which was my last thing, was the band that came with the wig. So y'all know, typically wigs that come, what I've seen is like, it'll have 2 clips here, like one here, one in the back, and then one right here, just for security if you don't sew it down, which I didn't sew this down and it's glued down. It has those, but it came with a band also, and I'm like starting to see like that's normal because videos I watch, there's like a band in it. But this band came, it was like, this is the second time I got the band. I'm like, no, we need to take that out because I don't have like, my face is kind of big. I say this in a lot of my videos that I'm talking about hair because it's like, it's weird because it's like my face looks big, but if you like turn around, it's not really a slope back there. So it's like really flat. And so the band, when I was putting it on, it was like it would just go up, and I'm like, no, I'm good off that. So I had to cut it out once again, and if you're a person that doesn't like the band, that's one alteration that you're gonna have to do, because if I knock this TV down, we have a problem. I keep bumping it trying to brush this hair. So, yeah, if you're kind of like me, like the band is just not giving, that's the alteration you're definitely gonna have to make. That's the alteration you're definitely gonna have to make. Yeah, and I don't think that anything I said was like a super like, oh my gosh, like I don't think that you should go with this hair, because I would be honest, like it's just not given. But I think that those are things that I just had to, except the ear flaps. I feel like the ear flaps are like my biggest like uncomfortable, and it's glued on my head, so it's like not even like, oh yeah, I'll take it off when I get home. It's like, no, I gotta scratch a little bit right there. But yeah, so if you guys all in all are interested in this wig, everything that I mentioned will be linked down below. Everything I mentioned, the exact links to this hair will be down below. The link to the company will also be down below. Go ahead and look at my description box. And thank you guys so much for watching. I think I just want to flip everything over because I'm about to do it by accident. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you haven't already, get this video a thumbs up. It helps my channel a lot. It helps me get seen. And also, if you want to see more hair videos, please hit the subscribe button, please, because I'm always going to tell you, like, yeah, I know this is not giving, just so you know exactly what you're buying. So yeah, hit the subscribe button to see more content, and I'll see you guys in my next video. See ya.